Hi guys, this is a MacBook Pro 2012 model A1278. We're gonna upgrade the hard drive to an SSD and upgrade the memory RAM from 4 to 8 gigabytes. So let's do this. First we have to remove all these screws around here. So all these screws besides these three here are longer and the others are shorter, okay? So let's do it. Okay, let's remove the back cover. First thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna just disconnect the battery. Take the drive out. So this guy is missing the bracket here. There was supposed to be a bracket in this area here. I'll try to remove it exactly like the way it is right now. We're gonna have to take all these 4 screws out and put it into the new drive. Let me bring the SSD. Today we have the 870 EVO. So to take these screws out, you're gonna need a T5 screwdriver. Okay, let's change the RAM. Here we have 2 times 2 gigabyte. We're gonna put 2 times 4. This is one of the nicest MacBooks. This is a 2012 i5, I believe this is 3rd generation if I'm not mistaken, 13-inch, and this is totally upgradable. I mean, the memory RAM, you can go up to 16 gigs. I think we're done here. Let's add a little bit of tape in here. Let's put the back cover back. Oops. Let's put the screws back and start with the big ones. Oh, my bad. Just forgot to plug the battery back. That's it. Just to remove these screws, by the way, I forgot to tell you, you can just use a Phillips screwdriver. This is for a MacBook Pros, but for MacBook Air you need to use a T5 Dorks. Okay, that's it.